Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be learning a topic that's called changing the subject of the equation. So we will be solving these 12 questions one by one, and we will be changing their subjects, alright? So for all of those questions, I will be making x the subject of the equation, okay? So let's just move towards the very first question that we have. So that is 4x minus t is equivalent to a. For this one, in order to make x the subject of the equation, I have to eliminate this negative t, right? So for this one, what I will do, I will add t on both sides. So it will become 4x is equivalent to a plus t, and then I will divide with the 4 on both sides. Alright, so it will become x equals to a plus t over 4. So this is going to be the answer for the very first question that we have. Now let's just move towards the second question that we have over here. We have to make x the subject of the equation, so I will multiply with y minus z on both sides, okay, because they are being divided. So 3 into y minus z equals to x over y minus z, and I will multiply both sides with y minus z, okay, just the way like this way. By this way, this will cancel out with this one, and I will be left with x equals to 3 into y minus z, and if you distribute it, it will become x equals to 3y minus 3z. So this is going to be the solution for the second question. Now let's just move towards the third one real quick. For this one, in order to find out this x, I will multiply both sides with p cube. Just by this way, 1 multiplied by p cube. So this will cancel out with this one. So x is equivalent to p cube is going to be the solution for the question number 3 that we have. Now let's just move towards the question number 4. For this one, always understand one thing: whenever you have this fraction getting multiplied with a whole number, always write it down like this way, x over 2. It will make it easier for you to solve the question, okay? After that, I will multiply both sides with the 2. When I do this 2 will cancel out with this 2, and I will be left with x is equivalent to 2u plus 12, okay, because this 2 will be distributed one by one, okay, by this way. Now let's just move towards the question number 5. xd over 8 is equivalent to c. I need to get this x, so I will multiply with the 8 on both sides first, so that this 8 get cancelled out, and I will be left with xd equals to 8c, and then I will divide both sides with the d. The d will cancel out with this d, and I will be left with x is equivalent to 8c over d. So by this way, I made x the subject of our equation, okay. So now let's just move towards the question number 6. For this one, I need to get this x, so minus 27s plus 10v equals to minus x minus 10v plus 10v. Alright, they will cancel out, and I will be left with minus 27s plus 10v equals to minus x. I need to make x the subject of the equation, right, not negative x. So I will multiply this whole thing with a negative 1, okay, on both sides. If I do this, I will be left with x is equivalent to 27s minus 10. Alright, the signs will be reversed. It is negative 27, so it will convert into positive 27. It's positive 10, it will be converted into negative 10. So now let's just move towards the next question. Question number 7. For this one, we need to make x the subject of the equation again, so I will subtract with the 2h on both sides. 1 minus 13w minus 2h is equivalent to 2h minus 2h plus x. It will cancel out, and I will be left with 1 minus 13w minus 2h is equivalent to x. This is going to be the solution for the question number 7. Now let's just move towards the question number 8. I need to make x the subject of the equation, so I will subtract with the 2 on both sides. Minus 2 is equivalent to 3b minus 2. This will cancel out, and kx is equivalent to 3b minus 2. After that, I will divide with the k on both sides. This k will cancel out with this k, and I will be left with x is equivalent to 3b minus 2 divided by k. So this is going to be the solution for this one. Now I'm moving towards the question number 9. For this one, I will be like doing a very simple process. I can replace these two with each other, right? Alright, or you can do like minus z plus z plus y minus x is equivalent to 5 over 7 plus z. Okay, they will cancel out. In our next step, I need to eliminate this y, so I will subtract y on both sides. 5 over 7 plus x, z minus y, it will cancel out, and now I will be left with minus x equals to 5 over 7 plus z minus y. As I need to get x, not negative x, so I will multiply with the negative 1 on both sides, so all the signs will be reversed. Okay, minus 5 over 7 minus z plus y. So this is going to be the solution for this question. Now I'm left with the last three questions, so let's just quickly solve them all. I need to get this x. Okay, so I need to eliminate negative 21 and q, so I will add 21 on both sides is equivalent to x minus 21 plus q. They will cancel out, so it will become 26 is equivalent to x plus q, and then I will subtract with the q on both sides, so it will become 26 minus q equals to x. So this is going to be the solution for the question number 10. Now I will be moving towards the second last question. I need to make this x the subject of the equation, so I can just move it to the other side. 16r minus t is equivalent to x. Okay, it's a negative sign over here. When you move it to the other side of is equivalent to, it will convert into a positive number. So now I'm solving the last question over here. So for this one, I need to eliminate this negative g, so I will add g on both sides. Okay, it's negative g, so I will add g on both sides. Now 27g plus g, alright, so it will become minus 9x equals to minus 26g, and then I will divide both sides with 9. Alright, negative 9 actually, minus 9 on both sides. So now by dividing both sides with negative 9, it will become x is equivalent to 26g over 9. So this was all about today's class. I hope you understood the lesson. If you like the video, I will be requesting you to please subscribe my YouTube channel as well, so you don't miss the coming videos. We'll see you in our next video lesson. Bye for now.